In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to do a soil test, specifically the Yard Mastery soil test, so stay tuned. So here is the Yard Mastery kit that I purchased, and this is a soil test kit to test your soil and see what nutrients you have and what nutrients you lack of. So in the kit, it comes with several different things. It comes with a little scoop to actually scoop the sample into this jar. And in this jar, you have distilled water and a little ball that's actually collecting the nutrients. Once you collect your sample, you're going to mail it out with this little mailer that came with the kit, which is nice. It came with thorough instructions. The first thing you do want to do is register your kit online. So I already did that. There's a special code that comes with each sample kit that's unique to your sample kit, and you need to keep this and make sure you have that code on hand. Another thing you want to do is you want to make a plan of how you're going to do this. So here I have a small sketch of my house, and these little parts here is where I have grass. So this small section I'm taking one sample, this section I'm taking two, 1, 1. So that is 7 samples. You do want to take 7 to 10 samples. The bigger the yard, the more samples you may want to take. You may even want to do multiple soil kits if you definitely see a big vast difference between one area compared to the other. So to collect my samples, I'm going to use this weed puller. I got this at Lowe's. You can use a soil probe, you can use a shovel. I'm just going to use this. This is what I have that I find will be pretty easy for this project. I got some topsoil to fill in any of the holes, and I have a Ziploc bag to put the samples into. So I collected all my samples, and now I'm going to mix them up using this box that came with the kit. So I'm just going to take out the scoop in the little jar, take out that, pour this into the box. And you want to just take out any debris that you can find, because they will interfere with the analysis. Now I'm just gonna shut this and give it a good shake. Take out any other debris I may have missed. And then we just take our scoop and scoop some in. Take out any of this stuff on the top. Lightly pat it. And then we just carefully put it in this jar with the water. Do not take out the water. So I'm just going to remove this seal. Carefully remove this.
or this.